Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So this video is going to be about setting up our PC for ESP32. So first of all, the basic requirement will be Arduino IDE. So you just need to go to the official site of Arduino. You can download the latest version Arduino IDE 2.1 directly from here. Just install as it says. Once the Arduino IDE is installed, just run the IDE. I hope you all are familiar with the Arduino IDE UI. So first of all, we need to go to the preferences and add the board URL. So we just have to go to Chrome and type ESP32 board URL for Arduino IDE GitHub. Go to the first site and you will get the two URL links. I recommend you to get the stable link. Okay, so you can add multiple URLs, just have to press the comma and space, then you can add the next URL here. After that, we have to add the board. You can go to the tools, go to the board manager, and search here ESP32. So get the latest version as it preferred. Once you downloaded the board in the your Arduino IDE, you can check in the tools option. You will get the ESP32 board. You will get the multiple boards. So in the ESP32 development kit dev board, there is a chip which is a driver. Okay, so every chip, every ESP32 might have different drivers. So to check that, you can directly go to your ESP32 hardware, and there will be a chip. In chip, the driver will be mentioned CP2102. Okay, CP2102. So in the device manager, if you go and if you have connected your board, you can go to the ports and you can check. So I have already installed my Silicon Lab CP210 series USB to UART bridge, which is COM5. So for you, you have to go to the Google and go to this website. I will put the link in the description for this website and go to your series. So as you can see, my series is CP2102. Okay, so you can directly go to this website and you can download the USB to UART based UVCP driver. You can go to downloads. You can download the universal window driver. Okay. So once it's downloaded, you don't have to do anything. It's just it will be automatically in your system. Okay. Now next we will go to ESP32 and write a simple blink code. Okay, in the Arduino sketch. So let's write a simple blink code. I will forward this. So as you can see, I've written the code for the blink LED. I've given the pin 26 as the output pin. So I have pin mode LED pin is my output pin. So I've given the 1 second delay. This is 1000 millisecond here. So let's upload this code. We have to select the board. So our board is COM5. So yeah, it's, you can go to tool. You have to first select the board. Our board will be easy to dev mode. Okay. So once selected, you have to go to the board port. You have to select the port 5. Okay. So it automatically will identify as HV2 dev mode COM5. Okay. So while uploading the code, uh, you have to make sure that first we will compile the code. Once compiled, while uploading the code, when this it will first compile, then it will upload. So when you see the connecting, you have to press the boot button in your ESP32, because there might be chance that it's in the read mode. It's not in the read mode. Okay, once you press the boot button, it will automatically write the code in the ESP32. Here you can see that the 26 pin is connected to the anode of the LED, and the ground is connected to the cathode of the LED, and as per the code it's blinking in every per second. So yeah, this is how you can set up your ESP32. It's very easy. Also, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and more such videos are going to be coming in the future. There are different projects I'm working on ESP32, so they will be in this channel. So thank you.